Hello students, in this video we will discuss decimal expansion of real numbers. So first, real numbers is a set of all rational numbers and irrational number. Then we will discuss first decimal expansion of rational numbers. Every rational number can be written in the form of p by q. So to obtain its decimal expansion, we need to divide p by q. When we will divide p by q, then two cases occur. First case is either the remainder becomes 0 or remainder never becomes 0. Remainder never becomes 0. Okay, two cases arise. So suppose if we have to find decimal expansion of 1 by 4, okay, then we need to divide 1 by 4. To divide it, we have to put a decimal mark here, increase 0, then 4 2s are 8, 2 0, 4 5s are 20, means remainder is 0. Whenever such type of condition occur, means when remainder becomes 0, means the decimal expansion will end after some digits or terminates after some digits. Such type of decimal expansion is called terminating decimal expansion. Terminating decimal expansion. Whenever remainder becomes 0, terminating decimal expansion will occur. Okay. Now second case is, friends, when remainder never becomes 0. Suppose we have to convert decimal expansion of 2 by 3. We have to find decimal expansion of 2 by 3. Then we need to divide numerator 2 by denominator 3. 1 0 we will increase here. Now 3 6 are 18. What you see? Same remainder 2. 3 6 are 18. Again remainder 2. 3 6 are 18. Again remainder 2. Means remainder is not 0 and same remainder repeated. Similarly, you can see here same block of digit is repeated here and it is not going to end, means decimal expansion is not going to end. This type of decimal expansion is called non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Repeating or non-terminating recurring. It is also called non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. Okay, students. Next, decimal expansion of irrational numbers are non-terminating, non-recurring. Okay, decimal expansion of irrational numbers are non-terminating, non-recurring. But rational numbers, for rational numbers, these are either terminating or non-terminating recurring. Okay, for rational it is either terminating or non-terminating but recurring, and for irrational it is non-terminating, non-recurring. So when we have to calculate the decimal expansion of square root of 2, then by long division method you can calculate square root of root 2. It will come 1.4142135627309880168872424296 and so on. Means same block of digit or same digit is not repeated and it also not terminates. This type of decimal expansion is known as non-terminating, non-recurring decimal expansion. Similarly, when the value of pi is calculated by the it is first calculated by Archimedes, and it is also given by the Indian mathematician Aryabhat as pi is equal to 3.1416, correct up to 4 decimal places. It is first given by the great Indian mathematician Aryabhatta. Okay, and first it is calculated by Archimedes. Okay, so the value of pi is also a non-terminating, non-recurring decimal expansion. Okay, but the value of pi as 22/7, that is rational. It is a rational, but pi is irrational because its original value is this decimal expansion, which is non-terminating, non-recurring. That's why the pi is irrational, but the approximate value 22/7 is irrational. Okay students, so you studied that there are 3 types of decimal expansion: terminating, non-terminating, recurring, and third one is non-terminating, non-recurring. Let's solve some questions over it.